Hi guys, in this video we will be talking about alcoholic fermentation. If you haven't watched my last video on lactic acid fermentation, I would highly recommend you watch that before this video because it will help you understand more. Okay, let's get into it. So alcoholic fermentation is essentially the same as lactic acid fermentation. We have to go through glycolysis before fermentation. Now after glycolysis happen, this is where it's different from lactic acid fermentation because a different enzyme is involved in the process of fermentation. It removes the carbon from each of the pyruvate in the form of carbon dioxide, and NADH is also oxidized to NAD by giving off the electrons to each of the pyruvate. After removing a carbon and reducing each of the pyruvate, they are turned into ethanol, which is a 2-carbon molecule that is involved in the process of making alcohol. Again, like lactic acid fermentation, the ethanol produced in the end is just a byproduct. The main reason for fermentation is to recycle the NADH. And fermentation is way less efficient than aerobic respiration because it only produces 2 ATP from glycolysis per glucose while aerobic respiration produces around 30 ATPs. That's 1 minute. Have fun learning biology. Because all these amazing stuff is happening in you right now. Well, maybe not alcoholic fermentation,